To be a giveaway every month till the end of the year. Hi there, people of the interweb, welcome to my channel. My name is Ukachi. If you're new to this channel, hi, how are ya? I'm Ukachi. I create content around natural hair, beauty, content creation, lifestyle, and everything else in between. Please consider subscribing by hitting the video subscribe button that is below and the notification bell beside it. And if you're new to my channel, welcome back home. So we'll be like, Kachi, where have you been? Nibolo, I am back, bro. I sort of took a break off YouTube. I already talked about how I got demonetized on YouTube. I'm not monetized yet. At the point I'm filming this video, I'm not monetized yet. But I took a break off YouTube just to chill, okay? I want to explain more of that later on in this video. But today's video is an unboxing / life updates kind of sort of video, okay? So grab a drink, grab water, grab hot ebana, egusi soup, or amala if you are just like me, okay? I'm going to be unboxing a couple of products I received from like different brands, Nigerian brands, international brands, internationally Nigerian brands, okay? So without further ado, you know how we do. Let us get right into the video. Okay guys, quick update. If you are a returning subscriber, you'll notice that I took a break off YouTube, like off uploading, because I was still watching YouTube. I was still using YouTube like a psycho, but like I was the CEO of YouTube, but I took a break off uploading because the thing is like I told you guys I got demonetized. I said it a lot of times in like my previous videos. I got demonetized on YouTube, and that thing just had me demotivated, yeah. Because like I keep on looking at my channel and I'm like, since July ending, August, September, October, I'm just here. I've been monetized for 2 months and I got demonetized for 3. Like, what's this? But I am back to uploading because I'm like, we ain't got nothing to lose. Well, during my break, I took out my break to like sort of like grow my Instagram, if I put it that way. So I just focus on creating content for Instagram because at one point I actually stopped creating content for Instagram. I used to just take random pictures and post. But during the like 1 or 2 weeks break, depending on when the video goes up, it might be 3 weeks by the time the video is up, okay? I decided to just create content for Instagram. I was dropping reels here and there. I was posting 3 times a day on Instagram. Even myself, I shocked because my reach, when I got shadow banned on Instagram. I already did a video about that. My reach was messed with like crazy. They messed with my reach. Instagram did their thing, and my reach, I went from 5-10k views per video to 300 views. So it just had me, I'm like, I cannot believe my eyes. But during the break, I used my break to grow my Instagram. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please, what are you now doing with your Instagram app? Follow me at Natural Ukachi. Let me also announce this here. There's going to be a giveaway every month till the end of the year. So there's going to be an October giveaway, a November giveaway, and December giveaway. If you're not following me on Instagram, you actually most likely will miss out on the giveaway. And turn on your post notification because I'm not going to come and do like an announcement video here. Everything will go up on the gram. So if you're not following me on there, don't blame that I did not do giveaway. Catch you do giveaway. I'm doing giveaway for 3 months. Yeah, so please follow me on Instagram at Natural Ukachi, okay? So let's get right into unboxing the video. Okay guys, let's unbox these bad boys, okay? So I received products from 3 different brands: a Nigerian brand, international brand, and an international Nigerian brand. Yeah, international Nigerian brand. Don't look at me anyhow. International Nigerian brand, okay? Obviously, I'm going to be unboxing the Nigerian brand first because Nigeria they carry last. Yeah. So the first brand is a brand called AZ Signature. The owner of this brand actually has a YouTube channel. I'm going to have a channel plugged here. Please check out her channel and subscribe if you like her content, okay? She puts content around DIYs, how to tie turbans, makeup, and all that good stuff. So please check out her channel and subscribe if you really like her content. So she sent me 5 products in all. I'm going to be just showing you guys the 5 in all. So the first he sent to me was their AZ Signature Natural Black Soap Hair Shampoo for all hair types. It comes in this very cute 500 ml bottle. I already started using it because I want to just try it in my hair, okay? So I'm already like almost half done. Don't judge me. Don't judge me, okay? I think I'll do a review after, like later on after this video. This is just an unboxing video, not an unboxing and review video, okay? So this is the first product, the AZ Signature Natural Black Soap Shampoo. This actually has black soap in it, and you guys know how I feel about black soap in my hair. I love it, okay? So the next product from them is the AZ Signature Wash Away Hair Conditioner. This claims to soften your hair, detangle your hair, repair damaged hair. For this also I think it should be a 500 ml. This should be 500 ml, I think. Or 473 ml. They didn't like, she didn't write the volume, but it's either 500 ml or 473 ml. I'm using this in my hair also. I'm using them side by side. This is actually an old package and this is the new package, and you guys know that this is way more beautiful than this. Yeah. So I'm just judging them on this. Okay, so this is their wash away conditioner. A lot of stuff like a rinse out. You don't do deep conditioner, you just rinse out, just sort of like to balance the pH. Yeah. If you want to see a video about pH balancing apple cider vinegar and hair care baking soda, please leave in the comment section hashtag pH balance. I'll do a video dedicated to that. Okay. The third thing they sent was their AZ signature leave-in hair conditioner. So guys, look at how cute this is. Adult and baby. So I've also been using this in my hair. You can see like this is already clear because I've finished all the products up to like I'm half done also. Don't judge me. I use a lot of products. The fourth thing they sent was their let me get it. AZ signature hair butter. This thing a little goes a long way. I use just this part to twist my whole head of hair. Like a little with the leave-in conditioner goes a very long way. And this has palm kernel oil, like, and you can just smell it like this. There's just like you can smell it. You can smell the palm kernel oil. Okay. The fourth thing they said was actually like a sample product. Okay, it's their hair oil. I haven't used this yet actually because I already have an oil that I'm already using in my hair. Okay, but I know this has palm kernel oil. I'm not going to be using this in my hair like constantly. I'm going to be using this just to prepare my hair because palm kernel oil has a very strong smell. Like if you got people who don't use palm kernel oil in your hair, and I don't think I want to be having that palm kernel oil smell like later on. So this will be like my pre-poo oil or my DIY mixing oil exactly. So that's all from AZ Signature. Shea sent me a soap. I don't have a soap here, but she sent me a soap because she makes soaps also. She makes like skincare and hair care products. Okay, I haven't tried the soap yet, but if I try it, I think I'll do it like a community tab post for you guys to just see like my own review, just a brief review. Okay, so thank you AZ Signatures for these products. They look very cute. Yeah, I've used them in my hair, so I really can't complain. Okay, so the next brand I'm going to be reviewing is a brand, an international brand. I've seen them on this channel before. Came with this cute packaging. Let me drop it here. So many products for me to hold at once. Okay, it's a brand called Sugar Bear Hair. Because I've reviewed their products on this channel before. Not reviewed, I've like done an unboxing for their Sugar Bear hair vitamins. Yeah, but this time they sent me their Women's Multivites. So what came in this box were scrunchies. They actually sent 3 of this, even though there's just 2 that here, but they sent 3. They sent 2 of this pink one and 1 of this. Okay, guys, like I'm going to be using this in my hair. Don't ask me, I'll just, because like, you know, like if you're natural, yeah, your hair pack and your bobby pins, they just used to misplace like something I don't know. But thank God these ones are big enough and they will not this will not misplace fast, at least. I hope. Yeah, so they sent me 3 of this. They sent me the regular wristband I showed you guys in my unboxing video. They sent the standard Sugar Bear hair brush that I showed you guys in the other unboxing video. And they sent me, I want to sneeze. You know I want to say you want to sneeze. You know I want to sneeze. Facts. They sent me 3 jars of their Sugar Bear women's multi vegan gummies. I'm not excited to keep this because I have not like sat down to like go through this stuff. Okay, but this contains a lot of good ingredients: vitamin C, D, E, riboflavin, B6 folate, B12 biotin, pantothenic acid, zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, just a bunch of healthy stuffs. Okay, I think it's the same thing as take 2 a day. I think it's take 2 a day. I'm sorry, trying to check. Should we take 2 a day now? Yeah, take 2 a day. Yeah, dietary supplements. I already had a video about supplements that I used to take before, but I started taking Sugar Bear because like I don't think about taking, because I don't know how to take drugs with water. So I must take Fanta or Coke when I'm taking my drugs. Because I don't count all those things that don't taste sweet as supplements, not drug. Not drug. But since I started taking Sugar Bear, like I don't have to bother about like taking it with Fanta, just treats. Imagine chewing drug. Imagine me chewing chloroquine. God forbid. Well, they sent me 3 jars in all. This is 1, 2, and the 3rd one is down here. Okay. So shout out to Sugar Bear for this amazing product. The last brand I received is a brand called Panzu Naturals. This brand is actually marketed by the same brand that markets Mamiya Organics. You guys know that I talk about Mamiya Organics on this channel because I really like their products. They already did a review. I'm going to have the review linked here. Please check out the review after this video. So they sent me 4 products now. Let me compare the Mamiya Organics. I have Mamiya Organics just right here. So this is marketed by Leaders Cosmetics. Marketed by Leaders. I was right. I was right. Yeah. So made in the US. Made in the US. Okay. So Panzu Naturals is also a brand less like Mamiya Organics. They even have similar packaging. So they sent me 4 products in all. The first product they sent to me was their Panzu Naturals Shea Butter Sulfate-Free Creamy Cleansing Shampoo. Gently cleanses, moisturizes, heals, removes product buildup. So gently cleanses, cream cleansing, sulfate-free. Okay, it's not talking the ingredients because Mamiya Organics, when they wrote their ingredients, they wrote sulfate-free. Number 2 ingredient sulfate. Number 3 ingredient sulfate. I'm just checking so I can know like okay. Oh, they use cocoa midopropylbetaine. That's like a derivative of coconut oil, I think, from my little chemical knowledge. Okay, it's just like a foaming ingredient, but it's smaller than the sulfates, ALS and SLS. Cosmetologists in the making. Okay, don't look me. Hold your wigs. I'm about to snatch your wigs. So he sent me this, and this actually does not have any sulfates. Okay, so it just says gently cleanses, moisturizes hair and scalp, intensely hydrates while removing product buildup. I want to try this out because I'm not seeing something. I'm like, let me try because I don't think no brand I know like offers. If you're not doing black soap, they are definitely using sulfate. This is like the first I'm actually trying that does not use sulfate and does not use black soap. Let me smell it first because it smells like like when I was small. It smells like I know what it smells like. The shampoo I used to use when I was small, hair fruit, I'll be hair food. Yeah, that was the smell. I can never forget this smell in my life. Hey. So this is the first product from them. This is a 473 ml 16 fluid ounce bottle. The next thing they sent was guess what it was? Guess what this is. I know you can never get it. It's their Shea Butter Curl Enhancer Ultra Defining Cream. So this is like a curl cream. Yeah, guys, they can have a curl cream. That's really nice. That's really nice. So this also says lightweight, non-greasy moisturizing cream that enhances your natural curls, bringing them back to life. You guys, I almost don't do twist out. I'm not using it as like normal leave-in conditioner. Yeah, but I'm doing a twist out video with just this. Expect the unexpected. Okay, it's also the same packaging as the shampoo, the same thing. Okay, the next thing they sent was the one I'm actually most excited about, surprisingly. I'm really not excited about deep conditioners. I'm actually excited about this one. So this is their deep conditioning cholesterol treatment. It comes in the same package as the Mamiya Organics mayonnaise. I think 5-6. The same package. You can't tell me shit. The same package, the same, but like different color though, but like the same container shape. Let's say it's like a container shape. Yeah, it actually comes sealed, so I cannot like smell this one. It comes sealed, so I can't smell it. But it says add water and walk into a cream. They spelled ladder wrong. They went to walk into a creamy later. They spelled ladder wrong. Cover your hair with plastic cap, then cover with a heating cap, or you can just use a hot towel. Okay, for best results, use with Panzu Naturals Shea Butter products. Definitely, because you want to balance the pH of like your products. Definitely. For those I don't know, hair products from different weeks are made to work together. That's why I always say on my Instagram, if I use shampoo for one brand, make sure you use the conditioner. They are made to work together. Okay, so this is their deep conditioning treatment. Exactly what I'm actually excited to know why I'm adding water to mix. I really want to see how it's feeling my hair. I don't want to see the consistency because it's actually very heavy. 5 to 7 grams is very heavy. The last thing they sent was they are definitely supposed to be a leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioning repair cream, intense moisture for dry, brittle and damaged hair, repairs breakage and split ends. Split ends cannot be repaired, but okay. Okay. So this says apply to ends of damp hair and work towards roots. Comb through for an even distribution. Do not rinse and let dry naturally. Okay, for daily styling, for leave-in, apply, cover hair with plastic cap, leave on overnight for intense conditioning. Okay, this is like the one that like it was a more like I think Kantu how to say the leave-in conditioner can apply it to your hair and do sort of like the greenhouse, the greenhouse effects, like where you put the leave-in conditioner, moisturizing products, and you wear your nylon on your head and you sleep off with it overnight, so that like the moisture is very intense. Okay, so this comes in a 454 gram Wait. Okay, 454 grams. Very sorry. 454 gram jar. I was about to jar. I'm like, okay, 454 grams is 16 fluid ounces, but it's around 16 fluid ounces. Okay, and shout out to Panzu Naturals for these products. These are like the 4 products: the shampoo, curl cream, leave-in conditioner, and deep conditioner. I like the packaging purple. Like, look at my eyeshadow and look at this. I know the similarity. Yeah. I came prepared for. I want my own ashrebi. I want my own ashrebi. Okay. So guys, those are the 3 different brands. Yeah, the 3 different brands that I'm going to unbox in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me the brand you are most excited to try out. Personally, I want to try the Panzu deep conditioner. That one is calling my name like Ukachi, and I'm like, yeah. But my hair is in shuku now, so I can't do much. Okay. And that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing again. Subscribe. I'm joining to 100,000 subscribers. If I get to 100k, man, I'm throwing a party. So just do so you can come my HP rice. Yeah. Follow me across all social media platforms at Natural Ukachi. And remember, I'm also having a giveaway every month at the end of the year on my Instagram page. So follow me on there. Yeah. Subscribe. And I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Please remember that God is watching you. So give God a beautiful show. Bye.